All right, so a lot of people out there has been looking for a best way to start on YouTube, and they have been looking for a YouTube niche that can really favor them. And right on this video, guys, I want to share with you 5 YouTube niches that is currently paying right now in 2025, and this niche is going to make you a lot of money. And also, I'm going to mention out these 5 YouTube niches and tell you the benefits of each of the niche. Okay, so all I need from you is to make sure you stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, you're going to get all the necessary information you need to know about YouTube and also the best niche to choose for yourself. So before we get into that, if this is your first time of visiting our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and also turn on your bell notification to get notified any single day we drop a new update like this. And with that being said, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so now the first niche you're gonna need to choose in 2025 is the tech and app niche. Okay, right here now, a lot of people are interested in knowing the current tools to use for their business, and there are a lot of tools there and applications which can also help people to do a lot of things, solve their problems, and so on. And if you're into the tech niche, you can teach them a lot of applications and tools. So if you have some applications and tools you can share with people, they will be willing to get that from you. Because if you come on YouTube, there are a lot of people searching for tools and applications that can help them solve their problems every single day. And from there, you can also grow your audience and trust. Okay, so you can also build your community and so on. So if you start your tech and app review channel right now, you are going to make a lot of money because they have a higher RPM on YouTube, and YouTube are really paying them so well. Okay, so I think 1,000 views on that particular niche gonna pay you up to $5. Okay, so this is the first niche you should choose on YouTube. And also, the best thing about that particular niche is that companies and websites can contact you for sponsorship ads and brand promotion. Okay, so this is the particular reason why you should choose that particular niche, because a lot of people are searching for that on YouTube. So the second niche right here you can choose on YouTube that pays well is the personal finance and the crypto education. So there are a lot of channels out there teaching people about how to save money, how to invest in a legit platforms and companies, and make a lot of profit for yourself. And one thing about this is that you should mind how you are doing your videos on that particular niche. Okay, so if you're making videos on personal finance and crypto niches, guys, you need to be very strict about it, and you have to be careful. Make sure your videos is under education and not hyping. So don't hype any platform. Always educate people on how to use that platform. Just educate them on how the platform works, and that's just it. Okay, so don't promote any of their platform. Just tell people how it works and so on. Okay, so that's just how to run that particular channel, and that channel makes up to $10,000 every single month if you actually know what you're doing. So if you want to go into personal finance and crypto education, you can go and start making research on how to make videos on that particular niche. So they are really making a lot of money in 2025. Okay, also you can also get a sponsorship ads and brands promotion. Okay, so this is the best part of that niche. So now, the third niche you can choose on YouTube is the motivational and self-improvement niche. Yes, a lot of people are making videos on motivational daily quotes and other things like that. There are a lot of people out there who needs daily quotes that can improve their life. The more you get more information to your life, you can be transformed. Okay, so there are a lot of people out there searching for motivational speakers, motivational quotes every single day to boost up their daily lifestyles, and you can start up a niche like that and you are going to make money on YouTube. So this is the third niche you can choose on YouTube that's going to make you money on YouTube. So if you're starting this kind of niche in 2025, guys, you are going to make a lot of money because YouTube are really paying them in 2025. Okay, and I think this kind of channels makes a lot of money every single month if you are really getting enough traffic to your channel. Okay, guys, so now the next niche you can choose on YouTube is the tutorial and how to educational videos. Okay, so like there are a lot of people out there, they come on YouTube, they just search for how to make things. Okay, so there are a lot of people that search how to make cake, how to make bread, how to make coffee, how to all these topics, all these trending topics on YouTube. They come over right here to watch the videos, and if you're making videos under how to styles, you are going to make a lot of money because most especially people comes here to search how to do things. Okay, so remember that YouTube is the second search engine after Google. Okay, so there is a high probability of making money from that particular niche. So you can jump into that particular niche and start teaching people how to do some things, and you are going to make money from them. Okay, so this is another best niche on YouTube that can make you a lot of money in 2025. So now guys, the last niche on YouTube that can make you money in 2025 as a new YouTuber is the entertainment with a twist niche. Okay, so if you're into comedy, music, and complimentary videos, you can just go ahead and choose this niche. Okay, so they are making a lot of money, and I think the RPM for 1,000 views on that particular niche is $2. Just imagine having up to 2 million views on your video. You can know how much you can make on that particular video from that niche. Okay, so a lot of people are making videos. You can see a lot of musicians having millions of views on the video, brand sponsorship on their videos, and also a lot of people are having up to millions of views on their comedy skit. You too can also be part of them and make money from that niche. Okay, so entertainment is one of the best YouTube niche so far in 2025. So if you actually know what you're doing, you are going to make a lot of money from that niche. Okay, so now guys, what do you think, and which niche is the best for you? So if you have any talents, you can come over right here on YouTube and show it up and start making money from it. So this is the end of this video guys, and I hope this video is really helpful to you. So what do you think? Let's know your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, and also don't forget to watch the next video showing right on the screen if you want to keep watching this channel. So thank you for watching guys, and see you on the next videos. Hope you loves you, and goodbye for now.